white chocolate and caviar. Do you think it tastes delicious together? There's this concept in culinary arts that's called flavor pairing. Ever notice how some ingredients just seems to go well with each other? Ham and cheese, chicken and thyme, tomato and basil. These are well-known complementary flavors that taste great together. But that's just beginner level stuff. Nothing wrong with that. There's just no surprise in it. To make it even better, I like to use unusual flavor pairing. I first learned this concept from Chef Heston Blumenthal, chef of the Fat Duck. It's the world best restaurant in 2005. He's like a mad scientist in the kitchen. And this is how it works. Each food item contains chemical compounds that contribute to its flavor. When two ingredients share similar compounds, they are more likely to pair well together. With molecular profiling, modern science, we can now analyze the chemical makeup of food ingredients to identify common flavor profile. This technique has led to some surprising pairings such as white chocolate and caviar, salmon and licorice. And in this dish, I got some beautiful scallops from Cape Cod Bay, garnished with bacon, which is a very common combination. What's unusual is I pair it with a dollop of cauliflower porridge. The slightly fruity, creamy flavor of cauliflower is fantastic with these succulent scallops. Try some unusual food pairings the next time. You may just surprise your guests.